Hello, my name is David and I'm one of your teachers. Watch this video class with subtitles as many times as you need until you are able to understand it without the subtitles. Then, practice and enjoy watching it again several times, understanding everything as if it were your own language. Have your mouse handy and pause often to understand the examples better and comprehend the valuable concepts you will learn in this class. If you do it like this, you will learn a lot of English. Today we are going to learn all about numbers. Let's begin by looking at numbers from 0 to 9. Let's go through them together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are many different ways of saying 0. Let's look at the number 0 in examples. Let's begin with decimals. In British English, we use the word naught instead of 0. So we say this number, 0.5426. However, in American English, we use the word 0. And we say 0.5426. Remember that we use full stops and not commas with decimals. Now, let's look at how to say 0 when giving phone numbers. In British English, we say O. Look, 4519035. However, in American English, we use the word 0. 4519035. Now, let me give you a good tip for phone numbers or any other sequence of numbers. When the same number appears twice, we say double and the number. Look, 7239936. Now, let's see some other forms of the word 0. When we are talking about measurements of temperature, we say 0 for both American and British English. 0 degrees centigrade. In contrast, within a tennis match, we use the word love to mean 0. For example, a score of 30-0 would be 30 love. And with football and other games, we say 0. So a score of 2-0 would be 2-0. There isn't any special reason for using such different words, but it's important to recognize them all. Now, let's learn numbers from 10 to 100. Let's start with the number 10 to 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is easy. Starting at 13, they all end in teen. Now, let's continue with 20, 30, 40, 50. Tens always end in ty. Notice, 30 and 13, 40 and 14, 50 and 15, etc. are pronounced differently. 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. With numbers in the tens, we use a hyphen to separate the tens and the units. Let's look at how to use numbers with hyphens. Look at how we say and write the following numbers. 24, 78, 35, 86, 49, 93, 51, 62. But when a number is not in the tens, we don't use a hyphen. For example, 100. Okay, now let's look at the numbers in the hundreds. In British English, we use the word and after hundred. For example, 126. 597. But not in American English. For example, 126. 597. Now, let's look at numbers in the thousands. We use the word and after 1,000 when the number which follows is between 1 and 99. For example, 15,030. But not if the number after 1,000 is more than 99. For example, 12,589. 254,761. Okay, now let's look at numbers in the millions. As you also saw in previous examples, to divide large numbers, we use commas. To make groups of 3 figures, for example, 250,000, 500,000, 1 million, 1,000 million, 1 billion. Well, in this class, you have revised the grammar in Unit 8 of our complete course and learned all about numbers. Enjoy Unit 8 and meet 2 friends, Robert and Sharon. Find out why Robert is such a numbers fanatic. Put your headset on to practice and improve your listening comprehension. Record and compare phrases to improve your speaking and learn how to write correctly. You will also gain fluency by interpreting roles, and then you will learn the grammar and new vocabulary. Keep on learning English. Take care. Bye-bye.